daw. So, I have to... Okay. Going live. Alright, hi. Good morning. Assalamualaikum sa lahat. At for this time, I'm just trying to... subukan ko lang kasi gumamit ng dalawang live. Both si ito at si ito. Okay? Kasi nakailang araw na naman na hindi natin na ipagpatuloy ang lecture. So itong may dalawa akong students ngayon. Isang dalawang cellphone. At so try ko pareho live kung okay ba to. At meron lang mga ibang may mga iilang words na tira sa previous kong lecture na hindi ko na kwento dito. Okay. Parang gano'n ako sa dalawa sila. By the way, magandang umaga ulit sa lahat. Wala pa naman tanghali. At magandang madaling araw sa Middle East na naman. Okay. And then, actually, ang isa kong kaibigan, matalik na kaibigan, isa kong kasama and also partners sa Arabic, sa business, sa tawag nito, sa translation, sa lahat. Sabi niya mag-i-English daw, which is actually kasi sabi ko mahirapan ako kung mag-i-English. Kasi Tagalog nga, hirap-hirap na ako paano pag mag-i-English pa. Okay, pero subukan natin. Parang kinakabahan ako, mag-i-English ako dito. Kasi maraming actually for my followers and subscribers from other countries. Okay, I'll use Taglish. Okay, as I saw within my page and at the same time in the YouTube, I have subscribers from different countries, and I feel that they don't understand me if I use Tagalog only. Okay? But mag-reconnecting you. Okay. So now, I'm gonna try to use Taglish. Taglish, my friends, means Tagalog and English. Alright? So, like this one watching from Egypt. Okay? And the rest also, I found that I have many friends followed me through my channels. They are not Filipino, so I have to use English. And someone also messaged me that he is going to somewhere in Middle East. Okay, papunta raw siya ng Middle East. So he wants to learn also some phrases, some words to be used in the Arabian Arab countries. Assalamualaikum warahmatullah. Okay, Ariela. Yes, alaikum salam. May mga note kasi ako sa mga words na gusto kong tatalakayin na last time, but I couldn't did it all, hindi ko na lahat. So some words left, and these are the words I would like to explain now. Okay, para hindi natin masyadong pahabain ng Okay. There are words, expressions usually to be used by the Arab, whether in the Arab in the Asian countries, or the Arab in Egypt or Libya or or Morocco, Algeria, Tunisia, and Sudan, and other countries over there. Okay, and the left words in my note are, okay, number 1, yung akil. So, akil, alam na ng lahat. Everybody knows what akil is. Akil is kain, pagkain, okay, eating, to eat, eaten, lahat yon akil. Okay, ginagamit ng lahat akil. Okay, but there's another term in the classical standard Arabic. Akil is ta'am. So when they say ta'am, it's specifically meaning food. Okay, food, right? Food, but ta'am. So atini ta'am, okay, give me food. Okay, atini akil also give me food, but akil is common. So it would be used like halimbawa sabihin mo ashtari akil, okay, hada mumkin akil, hada, okay, hada mumkin akil, khalas akil, akalt al-nus, okay, ito pwede kainin, akil. Alright, makakain siya, akil, okay, pagkain, kumain, makakain. Alright, akil means ta'am, so just food. Alright, but when they said ta'am, it means duk in classical, taste, ta'am. Okay, ista'mu. Alright, ista'mu. Shuta'mu. So, ibig sabihin, anong lasa niyan? Okay? Anong lasa? Okay. So, it's maybe salty, it's maybe hello, matamis. Okay? So, ta'am. So, we have 3. Akil is common, and then ta'am is food, and the ta'am is taste. Alright? And then al-hin. Alright. Al-hin, originally in the standard Arabic classical, they say al-an, al-hin, in somewhere in the Khalij, in the Gulf countries, al-hin, and the others they say dahin, but in Sham, some other countries, Arabic countries, they say sasabihin nila dulwati, okay, bulwati. Ngayon, halla, okay, maybe in Bahrain, halla, and others, okay, halla, now, ngayon, al-an, so we have al-an, al-hin, dahin, bulwati, and al-yawm, maybe it could be al-yawm, ngayong araw, al-yawm, okay, al-yawm fi Manila, al-an, if I'm pretending that I'm newscaster. Today you have, ano ko sabihin? Ayaw ko na hindi kaya. Okay, al-hin, fi matar katir. Al-hin fi Manila, fi matar katir. Mundu sabah, since today morning, too much rain. Okay, too much rain. It's rainy day. Alright? Umuulan. Ngayon, dito sa Manila. Okay, mula kanina. Ewan ko lang ngayon, parang medyo tumilana. Alright. So, we have this al-hin, dahin, al-an, dulwati means now. Okay? Now. Ngayon. Alright? And then, next. Third. Mumkin. Mumkin. Mumkin, I think I have already tackled this last lecture I had. Mumkin is maari, maari. Maari, maybe, perhaps. Okay. Mumkin. Maari. Okay. Parang, ano ko na to? Last meeting. Last live. Okay. At saka yung lazim. Lazim, tapos na ba? Sinong mga present nung huli kong ano? Yung lazim. Lazim, necessary or need or must be. Lazim. Kailangan. Okay? And then, marra. Marra. Ang marra, we have two marra. When you say make it again, like you want to do once again something that did not complete, and then sawi marra. Sawi marra, ibig sabihin amal marra, gawin mo ulit. Okay, make it again. Okay, marra. Maratania, ibig sabihin ulitin. Alright? Do it again. Okay, marra. Alright. Pero sa Saudi and some other countries, maybe they, not just Saudi, they use marra as sobra, hindi sobra, yung tipong talaga. Very handsome. Like me. Okay, joke. Alright? It's a joke. Jamil marra. Hilwa marra. Kung babae, if she's a beautiful girl, and then you said, Mashallah, hada hilwa marra. Okay? Jamila marra. Okay. Hilwa marra. Maganda talaga, marra. Okay? Marra. Pero pag sa marra, yung ulitin. Alright? Redo something. So, it's marra. Okay? Ta'al marra tanya. Okay? Punta ka, come here again. Marra tanya. But, you're so beautiful. Okay? Anta halu marra. Anta jamil marra. Okay? Inti halwa marra ya ukhti. Alright? Marra. And sawi. It's used in a specific country. Okay? Sawi, gawa. Doing something, sawi. So this is verb in colloquial. Actually, there is an explanation regarding this, but sawi, okay? Ana sawi live, okay? Itnin camera, ana sawi live, itnin camera. Wahid Samsung, wahid Huawei. Okay? So, ana sawi live al-hin. Okay? Pero, if this is already done, so I have to say, ana sawait live bil ams. Ams ana sawait live. Okay? So, yesterday, I did live. Kahapon, nag-live ako. Okay? Ano sa white? Alright? example, بالأمس أنا سويت سلطة حلوة مرة. بالأمس أنا سويت سلطة حلوة مرة. حلو. Okay? Ladid marra. Kahapon, gumawa ako ng salad, napakasarap. Okay? Yesterday, I did salad, very delicious. So, when you say, sawait, nagawa ko. I did it. Okay? Sawait. Okay. Sawaitu, ana. But when you are talking to someone else, somebody, you try to express something about him, about her. It's second person. Sawait. Anong ginawa mo? Anong nagawa mo? Okay? What did you do? Susawaiti inti. Okay ya? Susawaita inta. Okay, paglalaki. Susawaita inta. Anong nagawa mo? Anong ginawa mo? So, sawait. Pero pagka bukas naman, when I'm talking about tomorrow, so I have to say, ana sawi live bukra. Ana sawi live bukra. Okay? Ana sawi live bukra. But and then also when you are talk to regarding someone, it's a third person. You are going to use huwa or hiya. Huwa is he and hiya is she. She does salad very delicious. She did or she does, okay? Or she makes salad, delicious salad. So sawi, hiyab sawi, alright? O kaya huwab sawi, muskila. Gumawa siya ng problema. Okay? He makes trouble. Okay. So, parang, kasi ano to verb siya. And then, meron siyang past, merong present, at merong future pa. Yung ginagamit yung sinasabi nilang sawi. Okay? Sawi. Alright. Girgir. Meron dito girgir. Okay? Girgir, ito ginagamit to ng mga street, mga marits. Okay? Yung mga marits. Alright. Kumare dyan sa tabi-tabi or magkukwentuhan ng mahabang kwento. So yun ang girgir. Okay? Girgir, dal. Talking too much. So it's girgir. Matsaw girgir katir. Ano taban? Ana bgaraha, ana baddi, ana ibbi. Maari pag sa quiet. So, ana biraha, mat, so girgir katir. Okay, huwag kang madaldal, huwag kang magsalita ng marami. Alright, so we have only 2 minutes left. Wala nang 2 minutes. Okay, ano na lang. Muskila, nasabi ko na muskila, problema, muskila. Ana hindi muskila kathir, I have too much problem. Hindi muskila kathir. Okay? So when you are talking to your employer, like for example, he asks you, why you are feeling tired, you look like not concentrate with your work. Sir, I have too much problem. أنا عندي مشكلة كثير. أنا في مشكلة كثير. ولد أنا يروح مدرسة وزوج أنا لازم أدفع دفعات المخلصات في البنوك في البنك وكل هذه الأشياء. مشكلة. عندي مشكلة كثير. Problema, maraming problema. And then Mawjud. Mawjud, parang nabanggit ko na rin to sa previous lecture. Mawjud, meron. Mawjud. Wajid. Wajid, usually they are use it like wajid marami, kathir, wajid, kathir, wajid. Mawjud, okay? When Sa'ad, Mawjud. Okay, Mawjud. Alright, that's all for today, and see you in the other, for the next live, inshallah. I have consumed already 20 minutes, and then I think this 20 minutes. So, inshallah, for next meeting na naman, at may mga natira pang ibang words, inshallah, next week. Siguro. Okay, bye-bye. Ingat kayo palagi at matulog ng maayos yung mga katulog at gawin nyo ng maayos ang trabaho nyo at kung yan na muna ang ipagkaloob ng Panginoon, inshallah, maging maayos ang buhay. Oh, sumobra na ako, 21 minutes. Okay, bye-bye. Ma'asalama, see you next time, next meeting. Okay, saan ko patayin ko? Di ko alam paano, by off. I-share ko na lang agad, and then the other one, just to make it finish, and then